What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Deriv, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor: hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like button as you are watching. And for those that are subscribed, I appreciate your effort, guys. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. So, I got a request from a subscriber. The request said, how can I set my stop loss? So, because of that, I'll be teaching you guys some other things: how to set the stop loss, where to set it, and how to modify it. So, for example, uh, let me do it on this job index now. So, if I want to sell now, then like I saw this market and I think this market is going bearish, so I want to sell in favor of the market. Therefore, I hit the sell button, then I sell the market. So, where should I set my stop loss? I will break my horizontal lines to spot the number. So, I will be setting it at this previous swing high. So, and what is the digit there? 1004 35801. Then, because I didn't set it while entering the trade, I will teach you how to modify it, and that is where you are modifying it. That is where you are going to set your stop loss and take profit. So our stop loss should be 1004 35701. Then let's go and modify it. Then on this running trade, then you slide it like this. Click this thing that looks like pen. This thing, that is where you modify it. Then I click on it. Then you can see modify here. Then I will put my that stop loss, that is 104358.01. Then you click modify. If you want to see if it has successfully added, you click on the running trade. Then SL, that is stop loss, is have shown. Then if you go to your chart, you will see it, stop loss. So I will also tell you how to modify it for take profits. Like if I want to take profit to the nearest support zone, that is here, then I will bring my horizontal line and click drop it here. Then that is the nearest support zone. So what the digit there? 103,934.90. 103, sorry, 934, 103, 934.90. Then you go back to the running trade, click on that pencil icon again. Then you insert the digit 103, sorry, 103, 934, yeah. 103, 934.90. Then you click modify, successfully modified. So 103, 934, 103, 934, 1, okay. I missed one digit there. 103, 934. So as you can see, guys, I teach you how to put your stop loss, where to put it, and how to modify your running trade already. Like if and also if you want to trail your stop loss, I'll be saying trailing of stop loss. If you want to trail your stop loss, what you should do is that, so far this trade is in profit, you need to bring this your stop loss down below the entry point, or exactly at your entry point. Either you put it at this 104,153.96, that is the entry point, or you put it slightly below it. Then you have protected your account, and no matter how trade move, you can never be in loss again. That is how to trade your stop loss. And I'll be teaching you how to add many windows. Okay, let me do it now. Let me do it now. So if you want to have different chart on your market, like like this, I'm analyzing job index on this particular chart. Then I don't want to remove all the indicators I have here, or my parameters, moving average, support and resistance. All these things I have plotted here. You can see all these things I have, all this supply zone I have plotted here on 1 hour time frame. I don't want to miss it because I'm using it for a future purpose. So for me to keep all the necessary requirements here, I have to click this thing up here. I have to click this thing. Look at here, this thing. That's where I should click. So if I click there, then you can see that my chat windows has already have two windows. The one is for jump, that is where we are now, and the second one is step index. So, and you can do it horizontally or vertically. Horizontally is like this, and vertically is like this. So, but I have done my own vertical. So for you to for me to show you how I did my own, you need to click and hold the chart. Click and hold the chart, then click on this arrow that pointed down. Then you split the chart. Then if I click it, you can see the job index we're on and the step index on the second time frame. So what you do now to have it, you can see this one we have RSI indicator, but this one is plain chart, no indicator on it. So for me to use this step index, I have to click and hold on the chart again, then click on this arrow pointing upward for step index. Then if I click on it, I have the chart of step index. Then I can analyze, you can see it is clean, nothing have been added to it. I can analyze, draw out my trend line, do whatever stuff I want. Then that's it, man. You can see, you can also rotate it. You can also rotate it. So that are the beautiful stuff about some working tools on these applications. So I'll be stopping here. If I see any other thing to teach you,